In this lecture, you're going to learn the groove for the song Madness by Prince Buster. And this is the song that the British band Madness took their name from. So the song is a shuffle groove. As you can see here, we've got the first and the last bit of the triplet played on the hi-hat, which is the shuffle. The snare drum, we've got a cross stick indicated by the cross in the snare drum space. And then the bass drum is just going to play 4 to the floor, so on all the quarter note downbeats. So it's going to sound like this. So that needs to be up to about 127 BPM before you do this next video, which is a video of me playing live with a band called The Jewelers, where we covered this song. So if you're up to that tempo, here it is. So once you've got that down, you can start to think about putting some variations in to make it a bit more interesting. One that I like to play was an open hi-hat on the last 8th note of a bar, which sounds like this. So once you've got that together, you can put it on every 4th bar along with the track, just as I played with the band. Also, you can start to think about fills. And any triplet fills will work with this shuffle feel. But one that I thought was quite interesting was the last 3 notes of the shuffle just switch to the small tom. You could keep the hi-hat going along to play at the same time, but I actually quite like the sound of the small tom taking over that shuffle and just having the hi-hat on the downbeat. So you can try that now with the live version. So you have an 8-bar intro where you can play your open hats every other bar. And then you've got a 16-bar section with the vocals, where at the end of the 16th bar, you've got that small tom fill. Click the link in the resources section for this lecture to head over to YouTube to play along with the full track.